Viscosity. It is defined as the property of a liquid by virtue of which an internal resistance comes into play, which tries to destroy the relative motion between the layers. This internal resistance acts tangentially on the layers of the liquid. Newton's law of viscous force states that viscous force between the two layers of a liquid is directly proportional to the area of the two layers in contact and velocity gradient between the layers. F is directly proportional to A into delta V upon delta X. This equation can be written as F is equal to minus eta A into delta V upon delta X, where eta is equal to coefficient of viscosity of the liquid, and the negative sign shows that the viscous force is directed opposite to the motion of the liquid. Its dimensional formula is ml to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 1.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.